Halo, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Yogi Ardiansyah. This in video, I will give you information for hot politics in Indonesia. For error writing the Constitution Omnibus Law. Constitutional Law Yusil Iza Mahendra considered the mistakes in Law Number 11, years 2020 concerning job creation which had been signed by the President were just ordinary typos. The error has no effect on the substance and the laws. According to Yusril to correct this error, the President can be restrained by the coordinating Minister for Political, Legal and Security Affairs, the State Secretary or the Minister of the Law and Human Rights to hold a meeting with the DPR. The revised manuscript will later be announced back in the State Gazette to serve as an official reference. He said after correcting the writing the President does not need to resign the law. Yusril said it was his mistake. There have been several occasions when a law in a text that has been passed by DPR. The State Secretary who reviews the law draft that has been passed in the DPR must carefully examine the articles in the law before it has been submitted to the President for signature. If an error is found, the Minister of State Secretary communicates with the DPR to correct it. The result of this improvement were then submitted to the President with a memo or note from the State Secretary regarding improvements that have been made. The typo this time is different. The mistake was only discovered after the President signed it and the manuscript was promulgated in the State Gazette. After correcting the oral penal, the President does not need to resign the law. A different opinion was expressed by the chairman of Jokowi Mania, I'm Manuel Ebenezer Banu. According to him, State Secretary Pratikno must take responsibility. This is not just a writing error. This is a shame for the police because it happened again. In fact, Secretary Ni is the face of the President because whatever is done must be careful and full of prudential principles. There shall be no mistakes. Very embracing like the 1998 activists. Similar to usual public police officer Abi Rakso stated that technical errors also often occur in several other law policies. Because the Omnibus Law has received great public attention, all eyes of the public are on the job creation law, so that the dots and commas are also taken into account. Our public has great attention to his law so that mirror mistakes are in the spotlight. Even the words petroleum and natural gas, which have been the shown in the law, are also considered big problems, like the euphoria of correcting the text of the law, explained Abi Rakso. Abi Rakso said that the spirit of the public to correct is a good thing. However, that enthusiasm becomes excessive when it is not based on the goal of providing a solution. When the media crowd reached Congress that Jokowi's supporters demand that Pratikno resign, and the president immediately resolved. Abi Rekso responded that this was a political tactic to win away to power. Must be repeated Satya Wacana Christian University SWCU, Constitutional Law Lecturer and Director of the SWCU Constitutional Theory and Law Study Center Umbu Rauta said that the typo must be corrected through the law amendment mechanism. This is because this regulation has been signed by the president and recorded in the state gazette, so that it is binding on the Indonesian people. This problem cannot be handled by rephrasing it again because the legal document has been ratified by the president and promulgated in the state gazette, so that it is binding for the public, he said. Okay, I will end my video. Thank you for watch. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.